How do I complete my business activity statement? The Australian Tax Office allows you to complete your business activity statement either online through the business portal or utilising the hard copy business activity statement form. Either process is the same. What you need to do is initially open your BAS-I.C account and select the quarter for which you are completing your BAS form. You should check your account transactions, revenue and expenses to ensure they are correct. To search for transactions that cross months, I can click my search account mode and then click the required account button. Now I can see my telecommunications accounts. If I have specific transactions I wish to search for, I can use the search box, and now my Optus accounts are displayed. If you use the search box, make sure you clear it before you move on. To complete my BAS, once I have checked my transactions, I click BAS View, and my BAS calculations for the period are displayed, Q1. We can see that each BAS calculation has a BAS code, and this is the process I use to input them into my business activity statement. Here we can see G1, and on my BAS form corresponding G1, I simply enter the whole dollar amount into this field for G1. I complete the same for all BAS fields required. In this case, goods and services tax, and I also cross the box indicating that G1 includes GST. If I look at other sections of the BAS form, we can see we have a pay-as-you-go tax withheld area. If in BAS-I.C I have selected include wages, then my business activity statement calculations will include amounts for these BAS codes, W2, 3 and 4. The next section is my pay-as-you-go income tax installment. This is basically my income tax for the period, and the ATO will provide the amount that goes here. Further down, you can see the summary, which is simply calculating different amounts based on the values that were input above. If you are using the online version, this will be automatically calculated, and your payment or refund will be determined. Once you've completed, you should keep a record of all your transactions and supporting documentation. In BAS View, I can email myself a summary of my BAS calculations. I can also print my BAS calculations. I should also back up my work. If I wish to export my transactions to a CSV file, I can do so. I can see that I have quarter 1 selected. I can export, save to a CSV file, and when I open that file, I can see my transactions with all the data. This file can be imported at a later date. Alternatively, I can archive or share. Thank you.